Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome to my channel. 非常感谢大家加入了今天的Forex Live Trading 2021 November the 3rd, right? Thank you so much for coming in. Well, 刚认识我的朋友呢，我是 Eric Day，alright，希望呢在这边呢可以跟大家一起分享一点点的交易心得，而我怎么这样在这个外汇交易里面呢去解读我的我的图形好不好 ？OK， 来让我断定说我今天我应该要做哪一个货币对好不好？OK，alright，so hi guys，thank you so much for coming in Bradley, hi Bradley， 你好 Bradley Ang， 应该是华人吧 ？Alright, should be Malaysian. Oh, okay, I'm not sure. Alright， 好168，安妞哈塞哟。Alright, so hi CK 你好 Man Y 你好 Alright, so thank you for coming in， 大家都进来了我们有马来西亚的朋友，在马来西亚的，我们也有在国外的马来西亚人，然后还有会听中文的韩国人、菲律宾人、泰国人那么Yeah, thank you, Hubert. Right, thank you, Hubert. All right, thank you so much. Okay, yes. All right, Lisa. Thank you for coming in again. Well. Another midnight for you. All right, okay. Thank you so much. All right， 好了，大家今天都差不多都进来了我们可以赶紧开始了OK，so 今天呢的交易呢怎么样了呢 ？OK。So let us take a look. Okay, 我们we will be conducting in two languages as well. Alright, so one is English, another one will be Mandarin. Alright, so if you have any questions, do shoot your questions because today more or less is more on the Q&A. Alright, so you can shoot your questions. Alright, 今天有什么问题都可以发问，那么呢我都会用中文和英文来解答，好不好？OK， 那么今天想要学习还是要交易呢？Alright, hi Jack， 你好 Jack from Penang, correct? OK, so 好那么我们来看一看OK, so today， 今天我说了这个棒日OK， 棒日是这个星期我都会关注的不过呢，就是这个今天因为货币不是直接这样一直往下跌的嘛，对不对？所以当它在跌的过程里面呢，它还是有回调的时候，对吗？所以呢，这个时候呢，我们呢就要避开先 ，OK， 先避开休息一下，然后呢，可能明天又有机会再回来啦 ，OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so 你晒黑了，老师。OK， 最近都在外面都在外面吃东西所以 OK。好了，那么 right, so how's the trading today, right? Okay, let's take a look. Okay, quickly， 我们先来回顾一下今天呢，我在这个 YouTube 里面呢，每一天都会在马来西亚时间，就是北京时间呢 ，OK， 1点到1点半之间，我都会在 YouTube Live 里面呢，跟大家一起分享今天我要关注什么货币对 ，OK。所以现在可以开始呢，就是点一个赞，然后呢再来一个 subscribe， 然后呢再来一个点上这个铃铛那么呢我一 go live 的时候，你们就可以有收到 notification Alright, so same thing, okay, give me a like, okay, and subscribe, and also ring up the bell so that you will get the notification whenever I go live in the GMT +8, 13:30 to 13:30, okay, and that's where I will start to analyze the chart for every day, okay, to get a clearer directions on what kind of charts that I'm going to focus. Alright, okay, right. Sabrina from US. Oh, thank you so much, Sabrina. Well, good morning to you. Well, so which part of the US you are from? Okay, I hope everything is fine. Okay, right. So yes. Okay, so yes, I will be conducting in 2 languages. Right, so bear with me. Okay, thank you so much. 好了，给我 MT4好不好 ？Okay, thank you. Okay. Oh, you're from Chicago. I see. Nice, nice, nice place. When we talk about Chicago, it's always ring a bell of Chicago Bulls in NBA. All right. So yes, yes, that's right. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Kapu makrab. Kamsahamnida. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. All right. So let's talk about Aussie Yen. Let's talk about Aussie Yen.好，来，我们先讲一讲我们今天的这个澳日哈。我们先讲解一下今天呢，我们的这个澳日呢，在这里面呢，我们是在这里是如何的做交易的，好不好 ？OK， 好了，那么在这里啊，OK，so today，right？So 我的中文不好，对不对？所以呢，那我先用英文先讲啊哈。OK，let me start off with the English because I need to start with English before I can continue with my Mandarin. All right. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, okay, okay. Thank you so much. Wow, you just came in. All right. So, Mr. Correct, Mr. All right, Mr. Thank you so much. Okay, so remember to click on the subscribe button. All right. Okay, 好 So let's move in. Aussie Yen. OK， 我先讲英文先哈，我先用英文讲解。Aussie Yen， 好吧，我们来看一下 Aussie Yen。Okay, over here Aussie Yen today. Okay, I actually pick up Aussie Yen, alright, to short. Okay, 好，我今天呢就选了这个澳日来做空哈。Okay, so over here, yes, okay, over here, and we can see that we have in my system we have a red dot here, right? So probably we can take a look at the red dot. Aqua is below the white line. Do we have a chance to short at that point of time? Yes. Okay. So over here, pink arrow, aqua can swipe with a strength actually forms. Okay. Good. So in M1, what do we have? M1. OK，M1 是我的进场点哈，我是用1分钟来进场的，好 ，OK。So yes，我今天呢这个澳日的话，从这里的话呢，现在来到这里，现在下到这里的时候 ，OK，13个点哈，如果有拿10个点的人呢，应该是差不多 TP 的，对不对 ？OK， anyone TP on the Aussie Yen today？I'm not sure. You have to tell me. All right. OK， 所以今天呢，我们在看这个澳日啊。澳日呢，我这里这样看的时候呢 ，OK， 我先说一说今天啊。等一下我就会开始进入，就是怎么去分析一些图啊这些东西，让大家有一些有一些意识。当我每天在做这个分析的时候，就知道要怎么做交易了啊。OK。Alright, so 在这里啊，我们呢，在我系统里面，我在1小时啊来辨认说它的方向 ，OK。那么呢，它的这今天的这个时候的方向呢，这里出现一个压力位置，好不好？那么呢，红点出现，虽然现在白线下面，我用5分钟来判断呢，在这个时候呢，有没有足够的这个力度啊，还会继续再推下去，好不好？这里哈。OK， 水蓝线割下白线的这个时候，红蜡烛在水蓝线下面啊。OK， 那么还有1分钟是我拿来用的，就是进场点，好不好？进场点。OK， 所以进场点我有一个 pink arrow, aqua cuts white cuts purple。OK， 大约在这里。那么呢，拿10个点。好 ，OK，All right，OK，Good， 好吧。好 ，OK，CK， 你 TP 了哈 ，CK，All right，Good， 很好，掌声鼓励一下 ，OK， 好的，那么在这里哈 ，OK， 好的哈，今天呢，在马来西亚时间晚上的时间哈，对不对？晚上的时间哈，是哈 ，OK， 明天是假日，对不对啊？在马来西亚明天是假日哈 ，Tomorrow in Malaysia is it a holiday？I think it's a holiday, right? Okay, I don't know whether it's holiday or not. All right. So anyway, it doesn't seem to be the same, you know. Okay, to me, all right, because forex market is not having holiday tomorrow. Tomorrow is Deepavali. Oh, okay, Deepavali. All right, Deepavali. Okay, all right. So now. Okay, let's take a look at another one that we actually pick it up from this afternoon. Okay, from Euro market opening. Right. So Aussie dollar. OK， 来我们来看一下哈 ，Right， 澳美，OK， Aussie dollar，Right，so Aussie dollar today, right? Okay, no holiday. All right, so Aussie dollar, yeah, okay, Aussie dollar. Oh, we have Sarawak no holiday, huh? I see. Okay, yes, KL is having holiday, Roger. Okay, all right. Okay, Aussie dollar. Let's see. Aussie dollar is actually into a trending market. It's into a trending market. All right. So in this trending market, all right, we can see that there's one support level. There's one resistance level, not support level. Sorry. Okay, it's around this area. Okay, so over here, okay, Aussie dollar. It seems like it's going to short very soon. Okay, it seems like it's going to short very soon, huh? Okay. All right. Hi, Lao Jie Ching, right? Lao Jie Ching. Hi, Mr. Bay, 你好. All right, Lao Jie Ching, 你好. Okay. Lao Jie Ching 啊，哇，你们的全名哈 ？OK， 全名的话，这个是来自 KL 的吗？是不是啊？OK， 那我知道你们从哪里来哈。OK，alright. So when you say hi, put in your location as well, so I know that where are you from. Alright. OK, so thank you so much. 哦呀，我吃饱了 ，Jenna， 谢谢你 ，Jenna。哦，吃的很饱，很想要睡着了。OK，好的。Alright, so let's take a look. OK，Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar over here. When I look at this is almost looking like a very good chance for a trending market. Why do I say it's a trending market? Okay, from this side here, when it's short yesterday, we have some support pushing up here. All right. We can see there's a big buying candle over here. So now the big buying doesn't change the trend at all, and it started to build up a new resistance whereby it breaks the most strongest part where it started to push, and it went down. It breaks the support level here, and now it actually retracing. So this part here, as you can see, there isn't any point of time whereby it actually has a chance to actually come back. All right, so at this point of time, there will be people who are actually entering a trade right here to short, to sell, but it actually break through that it incurred a lot of losses. So right now there are losses. The losses is trying to recoup back, and they were going to let go of their buying trades. Then when you let go of buying trades, that means to say more selling trades. So Aussie dollar, all right, you can looking for a short, all right. 澳美的话呢，有机会做空了哈。OK，all right， 澳美有机会做空了。So before you enter a trade, always look at where is the support level. Okay, always look out for a support level to see how many pips available in this space before you sell. Okay, before you sell. Alright. OK， 所以现在呢，澳美呢虽然是有机会做空了哈，不过呢，它现在呢在这里，我们也要注意看说它的空间够不够啊。OK， 好了，那么澳美呢在这一段里面呢，它现在这样看的话哈。这个是我们的一种 trending 下跌趋势啊 ，OK， 有一个下跌趋势，在这一段里面呢，往下跌的时候呢，在这个这个 big buying candle，all right， 有没有看到这个 ？OK， 这里的支撑被突破了以后这一段呢，在它突破之前，已经有很多人挂这单子，还有就是他们呢会在这一段里面呢做多单。做多就是买上OK， 可是结果突破下去那么呢就会一直亏损着嘛，一定很多人 hold 着单子。那么这个时候呢，就等这一次回来的时候，在没有亏损下的情况，那么呢，它这一个的话呢，就会在这里，好不好？放了手之后，就会开始做空，因为放手呢，就是把单子卖掉，把单子卖掉的话呢，就是做空的一种举动了 ，OK。原来是 Jackie Jackie from Sarawak 你好 OK，all right，so 在这一段OK， 在这一段里面我们在进场之前呢，我们通常一般也要去考虑到我们的点差，还有我们的这个盈利的空间够不够，好不好？现在像这样的空间只有7-8个点而已，如果我要拿10个点，肯定加上点差都不够对不对？ 所以在这里的话，我们这里这样看，它呢其实是 OK 会下，不过会下归会下，但是是不够空间给我们能拿我们要的这个点数。不然的话，我们现在这样进场的话呢，现在一下来的时候啊，很容易就会碰到支撑，它就会反弹，对不对？OK，当然它也有往下做空的这个希望，也有这个机会，但是可能在这里会有一点纠结啊。OK，好，我不是说到了这边就肯定会上去了啊。OK，不是这个意思啊。Alright, so whenever you actually enter for a trade, OK， 现在我讲英文了哈，等一下我回来讲华语啊。Okay, so whenever you enter for a trade, okay, just before you enter for a trade, you always have to look out for you have to take to the consideration of the spread plus the available space to the support level. Okay, so in this case, when you see this, all right, when you see this, you have to understand when the spread comes in, when the desired pips you wanted, okay, but the space is too tight. Okay, however, it may comes down, all right, it may comes down. However, when it comes down, it may breaks the support, but it doesn't mean that when it comes down here, it will definitely goes up. Okay, will support it will U-turn. It may and it may not. Okay, it's just a little bit struggle if your TP is below the support level, then that is not right. OK， 好不好 ？OK right so OK， 我来说一下中文啊，分享一下这个。当我们每次进单子的时候，很多人我们都会开始就是想要放一个20点、30点、50点、100点，对不对？可是当你在放这些点数的时候呢，我们都没有考虑到说我们的空间其实够不够。如果我们的空间是足够的，那么呢，在这里啊，如果我们的空间是足够的，我们当然是可以放多一点。可是如果我们的空间不足够的话呢，你放的时候 TP 是在这个支撑位置底下的话，其实啊是对我们来说是不是很理想很好？原因是因为呢，它每次一下来的时候都会挣扎，如果真的是突破不了的话，它是不是会反弹 ？OK， 会反弹嘛？那么呢，如果呢它也有可能突破了再往下跌，给你 TP， 对不对？不过往往呢，这一种支撑与压力的话，都是待参考。你可以参考说这个支撑在这里的时候，一般你就会发现到说 ，OK， 如果我现在呢在这里的话，我还没进场之前，我就已经有一个潜意识，就知道说到了这个点位的时候，它就会开始要停下来，或者挣扎一下。那么对我来说，我能不能在很短的时间里面就可以获利呢？很难，对不对？所以呢，如果是这样的话，如果这个空间是10个点，好吧，我们就拿5个点。如果这个空间呢是20个点，好吧，我拿15个点，好不好？如果这个空间是30个点的话，好吧，我拿20个点，好不好？哦，我的意思是这样了哈，大概是这样的意思。为什么呢？为什么不拿足呢？原因是因为呢，每一次呢在支撑位置上啊，都有一个25%的空间。OK， 从下面算上来有一个25%。那么呢，价位可能到25%的范围里面的时候，就会反弹了。OK， 有些时候你看它没有到支撑位，它就反弹了嘛，对不对？所以那个就是25%的那个空间，它就会开始反弹了。OK，All right，so 让我讲英文了哈。OK，so let's say，when I set this TP, okay, I will always set a little bit higher above the TP. The reason behind is that I always have this if you have this concept here, all right, if the TP is below the support level, and you know support level is a guide whereby at this point of time at this area, the support is there, so you may experience some turbulence, you may experience some turbulence, experience some sideways, you may experience some U-turn, so this is a guide whereby before you actually enter for a trade, all right, you can actually take note about this, whereby this is the time you actually can take note how this is a level where a lot of things will happen which is disadvantageous to me. So in that case, all right, I will prefer to take my TP above the support level. I give myself about 25%. The 25% includes the spread. Okay, so this is an area. Okay, it's an area. Support is always an area. It's never a standard point over here. All right. So it's always an area that whereby we can take note. All right, we can take note. Okay, so yeah. So over here, if you can see, all right, and this is where how I'm going to define. At this point of time, if I set my TP above this support level, before it hits on the support, I may get my TP first. Or sometimes even before it hits on the support and it went to 25%, that means over here to 25%, a little bit, comparing from your entry, okay, to this, okay, this is 25%. So if I have about 3 pips or 5 pips like now, okay, so you have 16 pips, okay, maybe I get only about 12 pips or 10 pips. So before it hits on support, I will be able to get my TP before it hits on into the area of support. You get what I mean? All right. So this is what I meant. Okay. So how you actually can see that all these it can greatly help you very much. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, Vinceriano. All right. Nice to see you. You are from Spain. Am I right? Vince Ciaro. All right, Vince Ciano. Oh my God, I got the. Okay, let me got my tongue right before I pronounce your name. It's very rude to pronounce it wrongly. I'll just call you Riano. All right, Riano. All right. Thank you so much, Riano. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this is what I meant. Okay, so Aussie dollar, is it a good chance to short right now? Yes, we have a chance to short. All right, we have a chance to short. OK， 这个澳美有没有机会做空呢？是有机会做空的哈。OK， 是有机会做空的。OK， 但是支撑位置很靠近。Yes, we can have a short in this. We can have a selling on this Aussie dollar. However, like I say, the support level very near. Right, the support level is very near. So you see, from my trigger point, all right, over here to here, I may experience only a 10 pips. So I can see I have a 10 pips, for example. So 10 pips, 25% is about 8 pips. 2.5 is gone, so maybe 8 pips. All right, 8 pips. I will want to take a TP 8 pips over here. All right, so this is my TP price. Okay, so around here. All right, so you see, if you can see and you can tell, okay, this is my support level. I know it's only 10. I do not want to squeeze myself for 10 or go beyond it by 20. I will just want a 25% above my support level. So I may get only one. Maybe get one trade for 8 pips or maybe 5 pips. You get what I mean? Okay, so you see, why am I doing this? It's because I'm trying to play safe. I do not want to miss any opportunity, but I also want to be safe just in case I got myself into trouble. Am I right? OK， 好，那么像这个澳美这样哈，像这个澳美，我们现在这个有进场点的机会，但是当你衡量下来的时候，只有10个点的空间，只有这10个点的空间就很快就会到了这个支撑位，所以10个点的话呢，我的10个点，我减掉25%的时候，我就差不多剩下7个半到8个点，对不对？好不好？那么呢，我就差不多拿5个点或8个点，好不好 ？OK。那么的话呢，至少呢知道说，在这个范围啊，在这个范围，这个是支撑的范围，支撑都不会在一个点位的嘛，也不会在一个价位的，对不对？所以呢，在这里的话，我们这样看，OK，这个范围的话呢，在这一段里面，不要让它进来，我的 TP 应该要在这个范围以上。那么它下来的时候，我 TP 的比较快，比较稳。All right, okay, that's good. All right, so yes, I will be conducting this live in both languages. All right, one in English, one in Mandarin. All right, okay, so yeah, give and take. Bear with me. All right. Okay, so yes, that's right. All right, so. Okay, and this talking about Aussie dollar. Okay, this is how when I wanted to enter. Okay, I will always try to calculate out. Okay, try to calculate out how many available space for TP. Okay, available space for TP. Right. Okay. Right. So yes, that's right. Okay. And okay. 是的，正确. Okay, I will be answering some questions as well, right? So I'm not sure. Okay, right. So good. Thank you. Right. So yeah, over here. Yes. You just came in. This is the first time I'm here in your live session. All right. It's very interesting that you are bilingual. Yes. All right. Thank you so much. I will be able to speak able to speak English and Mandarin together. All right. So yeah, hopefully the rest can be able to understand. If for the Thai in Thailand, ไม่เข้าใจ then let me know. I try to explain in Thai. Okay, right? Okay, all right. Yes, I'm not Thai. I'm not Thai. I'm not Thai. Okay, but I can speak a little bit of Thai in terms of forex language. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay. So yes, let's okay, Aussie dollar is falling. Oh yeah, Aussie dollar is falling tentatively. Okay, tentatively. Uh-huh. Will it continue the selling for Aussie dollar? The Aussie dollar, as I mentioned just now earlier on, okay, the Aussie dollar is it will have a selling, it will have a selling signal. However, the support level is very near. Is very very near. Okay, so not a lot of space for Aussie dollar to sell right now. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Well, cool. That's cool. Okay. Let's move. Let's move. All right. 好了，那么现在我们再看一下哈，Euro Pound。Yes, Euro pound. Yeah. Okay. So yes, today, I also have picked Euro pound. Okay, Euro pound. Okay, in my YouTube earlier on in the morning for the people in the West. Okay, in the afternoon for people in Asia. GMT +8. Okay, so I will be EET +10. Okay, EET +10. Okay, so ET +10, correct. All right. So over here, I pick Euro pound to short today, to sell today. All right. So same thing. Okay. Did anybody get the TP from Euro pound? I'm not sure if you. All right. 今天呢，我又选了这个欧镑，对不对？啊，我今天选了欧镑哈。好，如果有听我直播的人，有看到我这个欧镑的话，有看到我选出欧镑的话，请打上一个有。OK，打上一个 yes，OK，打上一个 yes，OK，alright，so red dot aqua below the white line. Aqua is below the white line. Alright, so over here, let me go in English first. 我先用英文讲解哈。Alright, so over here, I check. In my H1, I always use my H1 to determine my directions, whether it's buying or selling at that point of time. Alright, okay, so over here, Euro pound, it actually moves in until here, this part here. Right, so this is where around this time I'm going to take my selling. Okay, I'm going to take my selling. So I always use M1 to enter for a trade. The reason behind is that M1 is the very moment of the movement in the market. So I wanted to capture that very moment in order for me to grab it sharply. Okay, and over here, okay, as you can see, right? I have a pink arrow. Aqua cuts the white line. It crosses the purple line over here, right? So over here, and I see my red candle is below all the lines over this part here, or maybe this part that is much obvious here. Okay, so probably I enter here and going up with losses of 7 pips. It comes back to break even and it went down to the current price of 16 pips. 16, 17 pips. Yeah, about there now. Okay, about 16 pips. Yes, if I'm taking a 5 pips trading, I have already hit my TP. if I am going for 10 pips, I also will hit my TP. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, at that point of time, all right, at that point of time, what's happening over here? All right. OK, so oops, I'm sorry, I forgot to go to the Mandarin 好了，那么在这个1小时图啊，我一般会用1小时图来这个周期呢，来看一看说现在目前 OK，我呢的方向是往上还是往下，好不好？当下哈。那么呢，在这里呢，我用1小时看完了以后，我就开始参考这个5分钟。5分钟是让我来定有一个力度，有没有力度会继续再往下跌，好不好？好，这个很重要。那么呢，我用1分钟图呢来看说我的进场点是在哪里，好不好？所以如果我的进场点是在这一段的话呢，为什么会在这里呢？因为我有一个程序，我在进场的那个架构呢，我一定要有 pin arrow 水蓝线割下了白线，再来割下直线以后，我可能在这一段就进场了。这个蜡烛哈，OK， 所以当我开始这一段进场的时候呢，到这里啊，现在差不多23个点吧，最低，好不好？23个点最低。那么呢，我要拿5个点的啊，当我要拿5个点的人，或者要拿10个点的人都应该有 TP 了吧？是不是 ？OK， 好，那么呢，来不来看一看情况哈？OK。All right, so tentatively right now, okay, we are supposed to understand a situation before we start trading. Okay, understand the situation. So I will be able to know what kind of strategy should I take, how kind of pips, how many pips should I actually take as well. Okay, so you get what I mean now? All right. Okay, yeah. So let me share with you. 好，我先用英文讲啊。Okay. Before I start, let me have a sip. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, and over here. Wow, it's very sensitive, huh? Okay. Okay. So now let's see. Whenever we start to trade, a lot of us actually just went into a market without analyzing. Okay, but when you analyze what are the things that you're looking for, okay， 很多人开始在做交易的时候呢，其实一般呢，我们都是冲进市场里面，我们就开始 OK， 这个是怎样的，那个是怎样的 OK， 我们就很像分析。But you see, whenever the analysis comes in, what are the things that you are analyzing? Actually, I don't know. Actually, most of the time I'm waiting for the gurus to go online and tell me what to do, and then I will start to okay, and I will follow through. All right. I mean that's one way. All right, but you have to learn how to analyze because analyzing the chart is very important because you need to know the situation before you can actually know what kind of strategy to apply. The application of a strategy comes from the understanding of the market situation. Okay, all right. If you can understand, okay, give me a thumbs up. Okay, give me a thumbs up so that I know you understand what I'm saying. All right. Okay. While you're waiting for a thumbs up in the English version, I go to the Mandarin one. Okay. So 来中文的哈，我们再想想看说，每一次呢，我们在做分析的时候呢，我们有很多种方式做分析，对不对？有一种分析呢，在做的时候呢，我们通常一般的，我们都是在等的，就是有一些高手啊，会在线上就是跟我们分享，对不对？分享我们的这些分析，OK，那么他有的 OK 我就了解，OK 我就这样跟着做。不过其实分析这个工作这节是很重要的，因为呢，当你开始会懂得分析的时候，呢，其实这一段呢是对你很有好处。很多人呢分析的时候就是说，OK，我跟着这个 OK，这个图有这样，这个图有这样，这个图这样。其实呢，你还没有真正分析到说了解当下市场的情况到底是什么事情。这个是非常重要，因为呢，是你呢要懂，当你在分析的时候，他的那个情况，你才有办法告诉你自己说，当下的情况，我现在应该是要用哪一种招数来进场。 但是这样的话呢，我呢进场呢，我就知道说，像这样的情况，我来进场的时候，我就知道它是应该我是应该要用哪一套方式，哪一套策略，来在这样的情形里面进场。这样的话呢，对大家呢看起来的时候就会比较清楚，那么你用的策略就会比较好一些些。OK，好不好？All right. So we have to understand the situation before we can start trading because we need to know what kind of strategy are we applying. You know, so applying the strategy is very important. But first thing first, you must know the situation. All right. Okay. So yes, euro pound at that point of time over here. Okay. Yes, I know we wait for quite a while. Okay, since we have started the analyzing in this hour, and it's going up and up and up and up. And as I was saying that, okay, we need to wait for it to hit the resistance before we short, before we start selling. Okay, 好，我先讲英文先哈，等等我哈。Okay, so over here, as you can see, and support and resistance, I think is very easy to identify over here, whereby a green candle followed by a red candle with the same opening pricing over here, correct? So once the resistance, okay, once the resistance has formed, okay, and we know what is it all about, am I right? Okay, so now in this minute we are going to talk about resistance. Okay, identify the resistance. All right. Okay, so yes, I'm very hardworking. Okay, I'm very hardworking, huh? Why? Okay, because I'm going to take down the notes as well, so that when you review back the video is going to be a part of a learning process for you. Okay. Okay, somebody's going to take it down as well for me for the timekeeping. Okay. Okay, so how am I actually register a resistance for myself? All right, whenever there's a one wave of going up in H1, all right, example H1 over here, H1, a green candle followed by a red candle, all right, green candle followed by a red candle over here. Okay, so when it start to move down to a hits on the previous support, okay, first of all, resistance is always a green candle, red candle followed by a red candle. Okay, so this will become a resistance. So green and red. Do I enter a trade here to chase? No, I will not, because it's actually hitting on the previous area of support. Area of support. Why? What do I mean by area of support? As you can see, this area has been supported because we have a red and green and green and green and green and green going up. Am I right? So this is where the support is. All right. So this is where support is. So okay. So over here, what am I going to do is that okay, and over here, when it hits the support, I will not enter a trade. When it get near the support, I will not enter a trade. Okay, I will wait. And what will you do? I will wait. I will wait for it to retrace upwards. I'll wait for it to retrace upwards, trying to break the resistance level here. Okay. If the price comes here and it doesn't break the resistance, okay, yes, from here, green and red onwards, I will start to look out for a trigger point, enter a trade. Okay, I will start to look out for a trigger point to enter for a trade. All right. Okay, so this is one way, okay, where I see when the resistance start to form. Okay, always remember in forex trading, something has to form before something will occurs. Something have to form before. Okay, something have to form. Okay, and something will happen. Okay, all right. Okay, let me pause for a while in English. I go back to the Mandarin before it gets too long and so boring for everybody, right? OK，所以刚才我们说到哈，我要怎么去辨认这个压力位置？OK，然后我不用阻力哈，我用压力。OK，很清楚的告诉你，压力就是要把它压下来，支撑就是要支撑它上去，对不对？OK，那么呢， 通常在外汇市场里面，我们都要记得说，好像这一波上来的时候呢，首先辨认压力位置的话，是一个绿红再红的蜡烛。那么这个绿红的这一段呢，这一个就变成了我们的，这个就变成了我们的压力位置，好不好？好，那么一出现这个压力位置的时候呢，我是不是马上就进场？其实如果你在上面还 OK 啊，可是你在下面的话就不行啊。OK，这边就不行了，为什么呢？是因为呢，在这里呢，绿红红，这个是一个压力嘛，对不对？返回来红绿绿是不是支撑？好了，那么绿红红开始下来的时候呢，你往左边一看的时候啊，这个红绿绿在这里嘛，所以呢，这一个范围啊，到这里啊，这些都是一个支撑位置，你看到吗？价位下来弹回去，价位下来弹回去，根本都突破不了这里的支撑位置，是不是？OK，所以呢，在这一段的话，我们这样看的话哈，竟然呢，它已经很靠近啊，我们的这个支撑位置，很靠近支撑位置的话，我要进场吗？我刚才在前一段都说不要了，现在我不可能在这里跟你讲要，对不对？所以也是不可以进场，好不好？所以这一段不可以进场。那么它不能进场的话呢，红又绿又绿又绿上去了，对不对？好，那么这个呢，这个就是我现在开始要说的，外汇通常一般都是先要制造一个东西，才会产生一个东西，好不好？好不好？OK，好，那么在这里哈，红绿绿绿上来，绿红红下来，这一个就是一个压力位置，这一个就是一个压力位置。然后呢，在这一段呢，它往下跌到支撑突破不了的时候，它就要回调了。它一回调的话呢，它就是要尝试突破这里的压力。那如果呢，它是突破不了的话，开始往下做空，那么呢，在这一段里面，很大的可能性它就是要开始做空了。所以你在这里找到进场点的话呢，相比一下你的这里进场点到之前的这个支撑位，你再一看的话，就很清楚知道说有多少个点数你可以做单子嘛，对不对？好不好？这样的话，你才有一个意识，才知道说我怎么样的去知道我应该拿多少个点。当然，我也可以要，它当然也可以突破，突破了以后，它还是可以继续下很多。不过这些都是参考，这个支撑都带参考。如果它真的可以下很多的话，当然把 TP 拿掉啊，是不是？OK，当然我们还是要看哈，当下的情况。OK，right。So to apply this resistance and the support level, okay, so I'm coming back to English, all right, to apply this support and the resistance, okay, I have one way that you can actually put it into good use, whereby this one is kind of, I would say is very useful for me myself because, okay, it actually can help me to do up, to give me a guidance whether should I continue to hold for the selling or should I actually cut the trade even before it hits on my support. All right. Okay. So that is how I wanted. That's how I trade. Okay. If I'm using support and resistance in the chart, there's no way that you can do one and you will really get fantastic result. Okay. So I'm going to share with you. All right, in combination of support and resistance, what it can do for me, all right, and to benefit in our trading. First of all, we understand the concept. Resistance is one way. You have to build up the resistance and the support. Then it went back again to test the resistance. All right, it tests the resistance. So when it tests the resistance, if I'm a seller, okay, if I'm a seller, right, I will I will sell at the resistance. If I'm a buyer, I will buy at the support level. Make sense? Alright. OK，所以呢，如果我现在就要开始跟你们分享运用的程序哈，OK，程式哈，这个压力下来到支撑，支撑回调到压力，在不突破情况下，做空的人就要在压力位置上做空，做多的人就要在支撑位置上做多。OK， 好，所以这个很简单哈。All right， so it's a very simple concept. Seller sell at the resistance, buyer buy at the support level. Am I right? Okay, so now what is the next thing that we can apply in this support and resistance that can help us is to guide you of the space, the available space for your profit. Okay, for your profit. So for example, okay, if I'm selling at the top here, all right, and if I'm selling, let's say if I have a trigger point at the top here, and I want to sell to the bottom here, and I see I have only about 12 pips. Huh, that's pathetic. 12 pips, right? Okay, so this 12 pips is very pathetic. So either I can give up or I can enter to get a 5 pips if I do not want to miss any opportunity. Okay, so for this case I can gauge. Okay, 12 I get 5. Okay, for 12 pips is falling in the range of 10 to 15. Okay, I just get 5. Make sense? Right, because of the spread as well. Okay, so it depends on the market spread at the point of time of entry. Okay, all right. If you understand, give me a thumbs up again. All right. OK，好了，那么来我说一个讲解中文的哈。那么呢，在这里呢，我们怎么运用呢？第一，刚才就是说，当我们呢要做空的人，要在压力位置上做空，对不对？那么我们要在压力位置上做空，因为它是往下跌的嘛。那么呢，在这一段里面的话呢，你们在这一段里面，如果做空的话，可以利用支撑的位置来告诉我们，现在在这里我们是应该要做多少个点数，我们要盈利多少个点数，好不好？OK，so 如果说现在是13个点，好不好？13个点，这13个点里面的话呢，我是应该要拿几个点？哇，13个点拿到完吗？不可能嘛，是不是？OK，我们利用的这个有个空间，可以知道说这个空间大概13个点就会遇到盘整，或者不突破会反弹，有种种因素。那么我拿5个点就好，好，那么我拿5个点，因为加上点差就差不多了，OK，好不好？OK，好，所以这一段的话呢，我们利用压力进场，那么利用支撑来告诉我们空间有多少，那么我们才来决定要不要进场，或者拿多还是拿少，明白我的意思吗？OK，好了，听中文的可以明白的话，请给我一个赞，好不好？给我一个 thumbs up，OK，给我一个 thumbs up，All right，好，所以这样的话呢，我们有一点互动，我才不会想要睡觉。Okay, all right. So I hope this little sharing, I think I know this is very basic. I know this concept is very simple. All right. So let's hope that everybody can recap a little bit, and I hope it helps. Okay. If it's helping, okay, remember to give me a thumbs up. All right, and also to like my video. All right, and subscribe to my video as well to my channel, and not forgetting remember to ring up the bell and click on all notifications. Okay, yes, okay, that is correct, all right. Uh-huh. uh you see my video. Okay, I have a playlist. Okay, I have a playlist in my YouTube channel. You can check it out in my playlist. Like I have a Forex beginner playlist where I talk about what did I do in my beginner's life. Okay, so and I also share with you what are the things that I look out for in my beginner stage that actually help me to move into another level. Okay, so I also share that in my playlist. Okay, so you can take a look at Forex beginner playlist as well. All right. Okay. Yes. Oh, you watch my playlist of this Forex Live Trading over the weekend. Oh, I see. Okay. Indeed, I learned a lot. All right, thank you, thank you. Okay, so that's nice of you, right? Okay, so yes, guys, I also encourage you that because I have session like this. Okay, so Forex Live Trading playlist. I do this is because I record it down. It's like a journal. It's like a journal. So whenever you are watching this, you can always play back. Play back so that you will be able to know what am I talking about, so that we get the common synergy there, and you will be able to understand whatever I'm trading, I'm explaining whenever I'm doing out my forex planning. Okay, so Oh yes, Aussie dollar. Well, oh, just someone is asking about Aussie dollar. Okay, all right. So over here, Aussie dollar over here, like I say, yeah, about 8 pips. This is the area of support. Am I right? Area of support. So you see, it has even reached the support. It has already U-turn and goes up. Am I right? Okay, so that's what I meant by setting a 25% from your support, so that your TP is set it on the 25%. So actually you will get the 5 pips, 8 pips, TP before it start to U-turn. Okay, you get what I mean? Alright， 这里有人问到澳美这里会回调了，所以这个就是我所讲的这个支撑范围对不对？我们拿一个25%出来，那么这个25%就是从这里大概了从这里就到这里了吧 ？OK， 所以呢，在这一段我们不要，我们可以拿5个点或者8个点就好这里那么呢，当它下来的时候呢，只要它要进入的那个范围的话，我们就快点出来了，因为它很有可能就会要 U turn。OK， 好不好？Okay, that's good. All right. Good, good, good. Yes. All right. So let's go back to Euro Pound again. Okay. If you happen to see any currency pairs that you want me to analyze, you can let me know. All right. Okay. But take turn. I will only see the first three. Once my eyes turn to which three, I will just pick it up. Okay. So it's very random, Okay. Okay. So yep. Hmm. Yes, I have to drink plenty of water. Thank you. Because my vocal. Okay, so you see, as for Euro pound, well, Euro pound today it looks like it's still going for a short. Okay, still selling off, selling off, selling off. Am I right? Okay, so this way, green and red again. Okay, I hit my I hit my resistance. Okay, so now the situation over here. Okay, the situation over here. Okay, situation over here. Okay, we are talking about situation. The situation over here is that about this what do you call this euro pound? Am I right? We understand the situation first. So what is the situation we are in now? Okay, what is the situation we are in now? Right? Okay, so we got to know. All right. So let me share with you. Okay, this situation. Okay, what's the current situation over here? Is that in euro pound, the resistance has already formed. Correct? Okay, the current situation has already formed. 好，那么在这里呢，我们的情况是什么我们当下要知道情况才可以有办法做交易，对不对？好，这里呢，已经看到说这里有一个压力，这个压力的你出现在外汇市场一出现压力，是不是要等待它突破？突破不了才能做空。OK，so current situation here we have over here we have a resistance. And the resistance doesn't break because of the previous resistance, am I right? Okay, so when it came down and it hits on the support, it went up again and tested the resistance, and yet after it tested the resistance, we have a previous resistance formed over here, and now over this spot it hits on the resistance and it start to form a green red resistance again. So this green red resistance formed below in this resistance area, we have a good chance to sell now. It's a signal to sell. Okay, because this situation it hits on the resistance, it's not breaking. So there will be people here actually putting on a lot of selling pressure. Okay, so over here, all right. Okay, okay, we have one viewer here actually saying that since it's coming for a selling, it shouldn't be pressure, it should be pleasure. Yeah, okay, that's quite true. Okay, because we are sellers, right? Okay, I'm doing a selling trades only. All right, okay, that's nice. Okay, yeah, it got you. Alright， 所以在这里我们这样看当下的情况是什么当下的情况就是在这里呢，一有一个这个压力位置出现，这个压力位置出现的时候开始往下跌了，对不对？它开始往下跌之后呢， 它遇到支撑它回调，每一次遇到支撑那一回调的时候呢，第一个想法就是它先要回到这个压力位置，尝试要突破，好吧？要尝试突破。OK，现在它尝试要突破的话呢，现在突破不了，又形成绿红红，出现绿红红这种压力蜡烛哈，出现在压力范围里面，那样就告诉我们说，其实之前尝试要突破的这个单子是突破不了，所以导致现在呢还会又想要往下跌哈，OK 好不好？啊，所以呢这种情况的话，我们知道说现在的情况是它没有办法突破了。所以呢，有往下跌的现象，所以呢，我们可以看说，从压力到支撑位置的空间有多少，才来决定说我们自己要交易多少 ，OK，好不好？怎么样的一个交易法则哈？All right, okay, so this is one of the point that I wanted to share with all of you here. Okay, the situation and the situation, okay, as well as making use of the support and the resistance, okay, support and the resistance, all right, okay, so over here, right, uh, okay, seems like it's going for a shot again, huh? OK， so 有没有人拿到欧镑的这个 TP 呢？Anyone got a TP from this Euro pound? Okay, I hope they are. Okay, I hope they are. Okay, yes. Yep, that's right. Okay, good. All right. So in this session, I hope everybody can understand me. All right. If you can understand me, all right. Remember to click like button, click on the like button to support my video and also give me a punch thumbs up here to show me that you understand. All right. And I'm going to excuse myself for 3 minutes, okay, to lubricate my throat 。OK， 好，那么如果大家能在这一节的话能了解的话呢，好不好？请你支持我，在点个赞，好不好？在我的 YouTube channel 点个赞，然后呢，再 punch 的一个 thumbs up 给我 ，OK， 好不好？那么我们再休息个3分钟，让我去润喉一下哈，OK，谢谢大家。All right, I will be right back. Okay, thank you so much. 润喉尾了哈，OK，一下子就回来了。 Hello guys, I'm back. All right. So hopefully you are still here with me. Okay, yes. Thank you for coming back. All right. Okay, yes, nice to see you back here again. Thank you. Well, have you got yourself a drink and ready for it? Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay. Yes. Right. So do you have any questions for me? 有没有什么问题要问我呢？当然，关于到现在这一段啊，OK，希望这个应该是没有什么 OK 吧，大家都 OK 对不对？好不好？好了哈，那么 yes，let's take a look. OK，抛盐 OK，you want me to take a look at 抛盐？Yes. Okay, so let's apply this on the Pao Yen. All right, let's take a look at Pao Yen. All right, Pao Yen. Okay, so tentatively, if we are looking at Pao Yen, okay, if you're looking at Pao Yen, all right. Hey, wait. Before I go on, is there anybody? Is there anybody still here with me online? Give me a number two. Give me a two. Number two, like saying hi to me. Okay. All right. Give me a piece here. Number two. Okay, let's wait for your number two. All right. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yes, Malaysia，马来西亚的朋友还在吗？你们有在的话，请给我一个二号，好不好？再给我一个二号，好不好？打一个二号给我哈，OK，好不好？萨瓦迪克拉，萨瓦迪克拉，卡布马克拉，Yes, okay, that's good. All right. Okay, so yes. Yep. Okay, now let's go. Go on. Okay, let's see, huh? Okay, so here we are. Well, over here. Let me see. Go on. Yep. Okay, cool. Okay, that's good. All right. Right. So I believe now everybody can hear me, right? Okay, that's cool. Good. Okay. 好吧，那么来，我们来看一下哈。OK，好的，谢谢大家，谢谢。OK，好，那么我们来看一看哈，现在哈，OK，呃，这个棒日好不好？先看一下棒日，我来跟你分析一下这个棒日呢，有待帮助到可能这一两天的这个交易哈。OK，so I'm going to analyze this Pao Yen, okay, which I'm going to focus, okay, which I'm going to focus over here to see if this is going to be my focus of the week. All right, and okay, so this part here, okay. And why do we need to stop at certain days when the Pao Yen when the Pao Yen is my focus? Funny, right? Okay. When I say I'm going to focus to trade Pao Yen, but how come? How come that Eric? Why do you stop trading on Pao Yen today and not every day? Since you are going to sell it, and that is your focus of the week. All right. Okay. First thing first. Okay. Um, Let me go with Mandarin again before I forget 好了，那么在这里啊，我们这里这样看的话，我为什么呢？我关注的这个棒日，我关注的这个棒日，却在某一天我不可以交易。为什么我说这个棒日是我这个星期一直要交易的货币对？但是为什么到这个时候我不交易它呢？All right, so let me give you an answer. Okay, so first thing first, as you can see from Pao Yen, when it actually reaches my bear zone, okay, and it started to short already. It started to short so much, correct? So many pips. Wow, isn't that a waste if you don't hold it all the way down? Okay, but first thing first, the retracement can be very big as well. So there's no one straight line of a chart that go this way, correct? Where you can see only red candle is impossible. Okay, so from here. When it is impossible, we are not going to take risks. If you are selling, you always sell at the bear zone, okay, the bear. When it started to show you that it's coming into a bear market, and you can start selling in the bear market. But within the bear market, they're about to have some retracement. Am I right? So the retracement from the retracement over here, let's say if you're going to enter a trade, oh, I woke up in the morning and I see Eric was saying that, okay, it's going to the bear, the pound is going to a bear market. Okay, I just pump in the trade and short. Who knows? It went up. Oh my God. Holy, it went to 80 pips. So how? I'm losing 80 pips of pips right now. You'll be your emotion will go on a roller coaster. Am I right? So no, no, no. Okay. So what we will do is that which is whenever there's a retracement, we exit a trade and we enter a trade to sell. Since it's in the bear market, it's a very clear indications that we should sell. So we sell at the resistant, not restriction. Okay, resistant. Okay, all right. So yeah, okay. So I hope you get this point here. Okay，好，那么我们呢，在这一段里面呢，我们知道说，在这一段已经开始下跌了很多，对不对？开始进入了熊市的这一段里面的时候呢，外汇图形不可能一只就跌到完的嘛，对不对？所以呢，在这里呢，它也有回调的时候。每一次呢，我们知道说进入了熊市 ，OK， 许然线在白线下面的时候呢，我们知道这个熊市已经开始的时候，我们就是在等待的每一次新的一个压力，在熊市里有新的压力，我们才进场。OK， 好，为什么呢？比如说刚才我用英文描述哈，就是呢，如果我在这里进场的话，OK，可是它直接回调80个点，哇，这个真的是太严重了，对不对？所以呢，不要在支撑位置上进场。我们要做到呢，就是要在压力位置进场做空。我们要卖单子，我们要做空嘛，对不对？所以等它上来了以后，然后呢，形成了新的压力，有绿红啊，我们的系统里面的许蓝线保持在白线下面的话呢，蜡烛保持在白线下面的话呢，OK，我们呢现在做空的压力出现在白线下面，也就是说我们还在压力位置的范围里面哦。所以呢，现在呢我们做空的话呢，它一进场我就下来。你是要进场了上去过山车一轮才下来，还是你选择要在这个压力位置进场直接下来，对不对？好，这个有很大的区别，是不是这么说 ？OK， 所以呢，当你在做交易的时候啊，当你在看这些图形的时候呢，我们都在这里知道这个是熊市，那么我们在熊市里面啊，就找压力，每一次的压力就准备要进场，好不好？就是我们的红点的出现啊，这些哈。那么呢，如果呢是每一次的回调的话呢，我们就避开，我们就不要进场 ，OK， 好不好 ？All right. So just now addition to it is that just remember if we are in the bear market, okay, if we are in the bear market, so in the bear market, just bear in mind that over here, okay, what we need to do is to enter a selling trade at the resistance, and the resistance is always happens within the resistance area. Okay, so if the resistance is below the resistance level, then I think it's pretty safe. Okay, and for example, over here, the white line, okay, over here, candles are still falling below the white line, aqua is below the white line. Okay, we are still in the resisted area, so which is pretty safe. You get what I mean? Yes, of course. Now we are in the bear market. Who cares? Just pump in a trade and wait for a month or two. Then we come back to short. Then we come back to take a look at what's the result. Okay, yes, fine, you can do it. Yes, well, you can do it, but are you emotionally prepared? Correct. Okay, so that's one thing. So you see, okay, so that's the concept over here. Okay, so the concept over here whereby, okay, we are going to apply such concept over here, okay, so that we will be able to see, okay, we'll be able to understand that situation, whether it's a bull or it's a bear. Then we will make a decision about how are we going to trade. All right. Okay, so well, let me go through again. All right, so just in case you may have missed something. All right. So use English first. I shall go with English first. Okay, the application for the support and resistance. The support and resistance over here. Let's talk about resistance. When you are experiencing a bear market, you may be thinking that I will enter a trade and go all the way down. But over here, Forex market, there's always volatility. So there's always fluctuation that caused by the volatility, and it will go up and down, correct? Since you have identified that it is in the bear market, all right, so it is always good for you to enter a trade, okay, whenever you see a green red candle, a resistance level, okay, a resistance that forms below the resistance level, okay. Okay, from in this instance is my white line. Candle still falling below the white line. Okay, the resistance. Okay, I think it's still pretty safe. We are still in the resistance area. So it's good. You enter a trade at the top, at the resistance area to avoid the roller coaster. Okay, whereby you enter a trade in the support level and goes up 80 pips, then it comes down. That doesn't sound logical. Am I right? So over here, if you are going to sell, okay, we know that we are in the bear, so we always look out for green candle and the next hour of the red candle forming a new resistance that's going to have a new cycle, like this one round of a cycle to short. Then we enter for a trade. That is for resistance in the bear market. Okay, resistance in the bear market. Okay, so resistance in the bear market. That is how we actually can make ourselves clearer when is the time to sell. So which is much easier. All right, okay. Let me go into the Mandarin. 啊，我们怎么去运用这个支撑和压力？先说压力吧。OK，我们呢知道说这个是一个熊市，对不对？啊，当我们知道熊市的时候，我们在熊市的时候尽量不要在支撑位置进场，因为你会坐过山车。那么呢，你要在熊市里进场的话呢，你就必须先等它出现一个新的压力点。这个压力点呢，蜡烛绿红红，对不对？有绿红红的蜡烛啊，绿红蜡烛这些啊，OK，都是一个压力点。那么这个压力点产生在白线下方的时候呢，其实你会知道说，其实我们还是在熊市里被这个压制的这个范围里面，产生出一个新的压力点，好不好？这个压力点出现的时候呢，我们才来做空。那么我们做空就是要从最高的位置做下来嘛，对不对？所以呢，我们要看到有人压下来的时候，我们才进场。OK，好不好？好的，那么中文的哈，我这么说了哈，所以呢，希望你们听得懂。听得懂的话呢，再给我一个3号。OK，if you can understand this part, you give me a number 3. Looks like okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So I'm waiting for your number 3. Guys, participate. Okay. So that you will fall asleep. Okay. You give yourself a little bit of movement so your mind, your brain, your memory can absorb. Okay. All right. Okay. So, yep. So that's about for the resistance in the bear market. All right. Resistance in the bear market. Huh? Okay, so I'm also going to talk about how to apply the support. Okay, the support in the bear market. The support in the bear market. The very basic one. Okay, the support in the bear market. All right. Okay. 好的哈。那么 Yep. So let's see. Okay. Support 啊，那么我现在讲支撑，好不好？在熊市里的支撑，那么我们要怎么做哈？OK，so when you are in the bear market, the concept is very simple. When you are in the bear market, you are going to sell at the resistance, correct? So next thing is that we have to take note about the support level. If we are doing we are looking out for a support level in the bear market, am I going to buy in the bear market? No, you are not going to buy in the bear market. But make good use of the support level when you are entering a trade. Before you enter for a trade in the bear market to sell, you can use the support level to judge. You can use the support level to gauge. Do you have enough space to grab your profit before it hits on the support level. All right. For example, in this instance, this is 65 pips. Okay. So if I enter up here, all right, 65 pips. Let's take 60 pips will do. Okay. It's for easy calculation. 60 pips. Okay. Okay. So 60 pips. 60 pips times 25%, it will be 15. So 60 minus 15, okay, it will be 45 pips, okay. Yeah, this always use the calculator. My trusted calculator, Apple. All right. So yeah, so let's do it this way. Why do I have to do all these calculations? Is it very difficult for me? I think it's kind of difficult for me, and probably it doesn't seem like it's good. Yeah, all right, okay, no, actually, what are you going to do? Let me explain in Mandarin again before I come back, okay, in English. 好了，那么在这里呢，我要讲解的就是支撑位置。我们在熊市里呢，在熊市里啊，我们在熊市里开始做空。我们刚才说到，就是运用着压力，在用压力呢进场，在熊市里的压力才进场。OK，那样的话呢，压下来的放的速度会比较快，比较顺。那么现在我们要讲解的是说如何利用支撑在这个熊市里。我不是叫你说在熊市里面进场等它突破，或者要做一个过山车哈 ，OK， 千万不要这样做。All right，so 在这里呢，压力位置进场的话呢 ，OK， 在压力位置进场，我们知道在熊市它有一些回调，就会形成一个压力位置。如果压力位置、蜡烛这些都还在白线底下的话呢，其实还是在压力范围啦，还是在压力范围里面。OK， 现在呢，在这个压力范围里面的话，目前我们是进场用压力。那么我们为什么要在这个熊市里要看支撑呢？熊市里要看支撑的原因是因为我们要看它的空间有多少。比如说我进场有60个点就到支撑的话，有60个点到支撑的话，那么我也要考量到那个25%，25%的话就是大约15个点。那么呢，我有45个点的空间。那么如果有45个点的空间的话，我是不是可以拿足45的点数呢？Well, you can， 你可以，但是呢，要非常小心。OK， 好，所以呢，在这一段里面，如果你只要拿10个点，当然就很容易啊，因为你知道有45个点，那么你一碰10个点很快就来了，对不对 ？OK， 好，如果你愿意放长一点的时间的话 ，OK， 也是可以尽量拿到45个点 ，All right，OK， 是这样的意思哈。所以这个支撑位置只是要让我们知道说，从我们进场的地方 ，OK， 有了压力，我们找到进场点以后，我们进场，我们还有多少的空间才可以拿到我们的这个盈利？我们有没有十拿九稳的感觉？我们有没有那种就是进场了会很安心的感觉哈？OK。好，所以这个就是让你来看一下你的空间是有多少的 ，OK，All right，so 中文的你们现在听得懂的话呢，给我一个5号，好不好？给我一个5号，好不好？给我一个5号啊。All right，so yeah，so just now I was saying that okay，making use of the support level in this bear market, we enter at the resistance. So we are making use of the support level in the bear market to determine, okay, the available space for my profit. Okay, for my profits. Like earlier on, I mentioned we have 60 pips, correct, of space, but we less off 25%, which is about 15 pips, and we are left with 45 pips, correct? We are left with 45 pips. So right now, if we are left with 45 pips, can we grab that 45 pips? Yes, you can. Okay, but please be careful. But if you are more conservative, you want to take a 10 or 20, okay, I think that's fine. All right, that's pretty fine for you to grab a 20 or 10 pips so that you can grab and go, so that you know this trade is on the higher percentage of the winning rate. Okay, you are bringing your winning rate up. Okay, of course, the winning rate is up, but profit ratio is smaller. But if you think that it's fine with you, it's okay. All right. It's also a way to actually to systemize your profit taking so that you know, okay, you know that you will not turn into a greedy trader. All right, okay. So yeah, that's how you apply, okay, on the very basic that when you are in the bear market, you are going to apply selling at the resistance and making use of the support level in the resistance area to gauge your profit taking. All right, the range of your profit taking, so you know that okay, maybe I'm a beginner, I can get 5 pips, I can 10 pips. All right, so some may have a bigger lot size, and I think 10 pips is good enough. I do not want to suffer a lot of emotion turmoil, okay, yes, then just 10 pips will do. Okay. All right, so yeah, that's how you're going to apply that, okay, in selling at the resistance support to gauge your profit. Okay. All right, so I hope you can understand this. If you can understand, I guess give me a number 3. Okay, to show me okay. All right. OK， so 在这里的话呢，我们这样看啊，现在目前呢，我们现在这样看的话呢，我们现在来分析一下为什么半日我会停止，好不好？为什么我会停止哈？OK， 停止交易。这个虽然是我的 focus，可是我还是会停止交易哈。OK，so now okay, what am I going to actually to talk about is I'm going to make use of pound yen, and with the sharing just now, the basic knowledge just now to tell you, okay, the selling and the resistance, what is the support in the bear market will help us. Okay, so I'm going to start off with that. All right. Okay, so yep, let me use pound yen, okay, as an example, all right, to to let everybody know how I actually read this chart. Okay, right. So same thing. 我要用英文讲解先了哈。I will go with English first. Okay, pound yen, pound yen. In our system, aqua is cutting above the white line. Am I right? Aqua is cutting above the white line. So now it's cutting above the white line. Definitely, is a retracement. What do I mean the retracement? Now you can see, okay, the retracement, okay, that means in the bear market, it has some support and it's going upwards. It's a retracement, but it has not shown us any buying signal yet. It's not into the bull market yet. All right, it is not. It is still on the retracement. Retracement, but it's not reversement. Okay, it's a retracement only, right? So by looking at this here, okay, I'll be waiting in this part here. I'll be waiting for it to hit on the resistance level, okay, on the resistance level, like here, okay, over here, there's a resistance level, right? Okay, let me enlarge it. Okay, let's see. All right, we have first of all, we have a resistance level, and how do I determine and define this is my resistance level? OK， 好，那么在这里我们这样看的话，半日啊，半日呢整体来看的话，其实它还是在一个回调啊，就像这些哈，下来回调，下来回调，上去再回调下来啊，这就是回调，还是在熊市里面，还是在熊市里面啊。OK， 所以还是在熊市里面，这些都是回调的。OK， 回调做空，那么再回调，再下来做空，再回调，再做空，再回调，在这里再次回调。OK，right，so 在这里呢，我怎么知道？我怎么知道说这个是一个压力位置，好不好？OK，so now let's see. Do we have a support here? Okay, red, green, red, break the support and it went down. So this one has become a support, become a resistance over here. Well, for this instance, this support to become the resistance, well, it's not very strong yet, but there are people still buy at this support level, correct? And after that, when it start to reverse back, retrace back, sorry, it's retrace back, and can you see it hits on the support here, and there are people, the losses, okay, has been recouped. So the losses have been recouped over here. What they do? What will the trader do? They will let go. Am I right? They will let go. They start to let go, and now when they let go, this thing will start to short. Now they let go, it start to short back because it increased the selling volume. correct? It's increased the selling volume. So indirectly, it forms a resistance level here. Can you see now? Okay, that's the story behind the resistance level over here. Okay，好了，那么 let me go into the Mandarin，all right。所以在这里为什么我说这个是这个压力哈？OK，是因为呢，在这里呢，是不是有一个红绿，然后呢是一个支撑嘛？这个支撑呢，在这里的话呢，支撑在这里的话呢被突破，亏损再往下跌，然后现在回来的时候碰到了这个之前的这个支撑，很多人做多的地方，他们呢就放手了。他们这一放手的话，就变成是空单做多，对不对？然后就会一直往下跌，增加那个空单量，所以导致到这个空单继续再往下跌了。所以你注意看啊，这个放手的过程呢，它无形中就变成了一个压力，一个绿红红的蜡烛嘛，就变成一个压力出现。所以这个压力出现的时候哈，我们这样看的话哈，这个压力位置出现之后呢，是不是变成一个压力？那么现在回来的话，到了这一段的话呢，是不是这里的压力就出现了？看得到吗？就看到这里的压力，这里呢，所以我才讲的是支撑变压力的范围啊。OK，从这里啊，这些都是支撑的啊，对不起，都是压力的范围来的。OK，好不好？All right, so you see, when this resistance actually forms, okay, and it fall, and now it's coming back to test on the resistance level. Now it's coming to test the resistance level. All right. So this part here, this resistance level, it actually comes from the story in front of this part here. Okay, the story here, and it forms a people have a big selling off of this pound yen, and it forms indirectly it forms a resistance. And now the price has been moving for one half a day. You can see it's ranging all the way, don't know where they are going to, no direction, and they finally try to test the resistance. They decided to test the resistance. However, by testing the resistance, it may break, it may not. But as we can see, it will start to slow down and it will form a resistance again. When we form a resistance again, does that mean we have a chance to short it? Yeah, yes, we may have a chance to short it, to sell it off again, all right? So this part here, we got to understand, okay? When the retracement is still within the resisted area, okay, we are still in the resistance. We are supposed to sell. So all this are still in all this buying is not a U-turn. It's not a U-turn. So definitely it's only about H1 movement of retracing. So when you hit on the H1 previous resistance, that means to say, and it's not breaking, that means to say the resistance here has actually stopped the movement. So when the resistance stop the movement over here, okay, and we are going to see something that is the end of the retracement. Very highly likely is the end of the retracement. Okay, so how are we going to look out for this end of retracement? All right, so end of retracement, okay, is talking about this chart here. All right, when it hits in H1, when it hits on H1 of any of the resistance, okay, as you can see, aqua is above the white line, am I right? So now we are on the retracement, but we in general it's not buying because we are still in within the resisted area. So this is named as a retracement. So the ending of the retracement whereby it hits on the previous resistance and it's not breaking, that means this area of resistance is actually the ending of the retracement. Okay, retracement. So probably, very likely, if it's coming back again, that means to say it's going back into the prevailing bear trend. All right, so then we can back to short and sell again. Okay, เข้าใจไหม All right, for the Thai เข้าใจไหม All right, so if you can understand this part here, can you give me a number one? Number one. Okay, just give me a number one. All right, while we're waiting for a number one in the English version, I go into the Mandarin version. All right, 好了，那么我刚才说的这个回调啊， 我们现在是在整体是在压力范围里面嘛，对不对？整体是在压力的范围里面，所以在这个压力的范围里面的时候呢，我们现在这一看的话哈，我们这一看的话呢，现在往下跌回调，回调，跌回调，跌回调，跌回调，跌回调，跌回调，回调上来，对不对？好不好？这一段它开始上来的时候呢，这个部分哈，这个部分开始上来的时候，我们呢要看之前的故事，支撑突破亏损上来，放掉单子，制造成一个新的压力，然后再跌回来，这一个现在尝试突破这个压力，对不对？在我们的这个系统里面，许蓝线割上白线，很明显就是一个回调，在熊市里的回调。那么熊市里回调什么时候是结束了它回调呢？就是呢，在这个1小时图里面呢，我会看到说它的这个压力位置啊，上来的时候，它是否会突破这一段的压力位置？如果它突破不了这个压力位置的话呢，它往下就重新做一个新的压力位置出现的话，这个往下跌的可能性就高了。OK， 往下跌的可能性就高。这个呢，就告诉我们说，它往下跌的可能性是依然是高，可是它告诉你什么？这个是什么情况？其实这个情况呢，就是告诉你说，这个回调结束了，好不好？要开始慢慢进入回去我们的熊市。所以这一段里面呢，我们可以等待它呢正式回到熊市的时候，我们又在开始进行我们的交易，好不好 ？OK， 好，所以这个很简单呐哈。我们这样看，水蓝线在白线下面，蜡烛在白线下面，这些蜡烛现在在白线上面，水蓝线都在白线上面，就有点难度了，是不是这么说 ？OK， 这个就有点困难了哈。OK， 所以这样的话才是等它回来先 ，OK， 好不好？所以等它回来，可是我们等它回来，归它等它回来，我们必须要认识这一段呢是回调，然后什么时候这个回调要结束 ？OK， 就是在这个压力位置，这个压力位置，那么呢，它在不突破的情况下，它开始往下跌的时候，那么呢，这一段就知道说回调已经结束了，我们现在呢可以准备关注我们的棒日了。OK， 好，所以就是要有这样的东西，你才知道一看就知道说它是否是结束，我才能做单子嘛。OK， 好不好？好了，说中文的听得懂的，再给我一个1号，好不好？再给我一个1号 ，All right OK， so yep OK， สวัสดีครับOm， สบายดีไหม All right， so over here 看一下哈。现在哈，在这个棒日哈，OK，let's take a look in this pound yen. If we are looking at a pound yen right now, okay, in forex trading, there's another stage. Okay, there's another stage. Okay, but if we are talking about another stage, I think this we don't have enough time to talk about another stage. Okay, so I will just highlight this and look out for my videos. Okay, and the next live session, then I will also highlight the other part of this. Okay, apart from ending of the retracement, we are going into the transition. Okay, into a transition from this retracement into the transition and back to the bear trend. Okay, so this is important as well. Okay, so yeah, this part here, all right. So over here, 这里呢，我们呢当然是没有时间再讲多了哈，我们只是说到回调，然后呢它结束，那么下一次要讲的就是那个进入了那个转换的那个过程，然后进入转换的过程了以后哈，那么它就会回到我们的熊市里。OK， 好，我们就要辨认这些情况。We got to understand the situation that's given and traded in this situation, so that we know is it a time to wait, is it a time to enter a trade, is it a time to take a look and shall we enter a trade? Well, that is the different situation and you must apply different strategy in your trading. OK, alright. 好，所以呢，你一了解了这个情况啊，这些情况你可以了解的话，你就大约都会知道说当下呢是什么样的情况，你就应该用什么样的一个策略来进行你的交易。这样的话呢， 大家都可以比较明白。那么我当下看到这样的情况，我要用怎样的策略来进场？OK，all right，OK，很好啊。Okay, so yeah, so this tentatively, why am I not focusing on my pound yen right now? Because if I focus on my pound yen right now today, like you can see, okay, my list over here, if you can see, all right, over here, I don't have any pound yen in my list. Okay, I don't have any pound yen in my list. So why am I so particular about this? Okay, it's because I have to make sure that today I'm not going to trade the pound yen and get myself into a situation whereby I'm going to experience a roller coaster. All right, then it is not that nice as well. OK，好，那么今天我会避开棒日，因为原因就是因为就是大概看得到它已经是在要做回调，所以当它要做回调的时候呢，我今天在进场的话，我是不是要做过山车？我要持单到明天、后天、大后天它才下来，可能呢有没有？也是有这个可能的，所以呢尽量就不要啦。所以我一看到有回调的单次，我通常往往我都是不会去做单子的哈。OK，All right，so yeah。Okay, so yes, this I think this could be kind of can be quite simple. Okay, and it should be able to help all of us to see right the why we are looking at the support level in the bear market, the resistance level in the bear market as well. So that this will greatly help us to identify the different situation in the every trading currency, so that we will not actually enter into the wrong trend or enter at the wrong position in the wrong trend. Okay. We are not going to enter buying in the bear, selling in the bull. Okay, that is very bad. Okay, all right. So let's look at the how is our Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. Just now we are talking about Aussie dollar. Am I right? Okay, so Aussie dollar. Okay, 我们来回来看看一下我们的澳美 Aussie dollar. Just now we are talking about this, and it comes here to about 10 pips. Yes, I say 25%. 25%. So it has about 5 pips, 8 pips of space. All right. So now it's trying to break. It's trying to break the support. Well, it's coming to the breaking of support. We have 13 pips. So if I have my TP below the support level, yeah, I may have a struggling. It went up. It comes down again and struggling. Am I right? Okay. So you see, this is what I meant by if you're having TP below this support level. Did anyone enter for Aussie dollar and capture a 5 pips just now? 有没有人在这个澳美进场？刚才有没有人在这个澳美进场？回复我一下好不好？大家 OK right? No no no. I can see a lot of the people in the Europe. No no no. Australia. No no no. Okay. Korea 5 pips only. 5 pips only. Okay. All right, Malaysia, month-wide 4.5 pips. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay. Oh, I think you really make your calculations. Okay. That's getting sharper and sharper, huh? Okay. So Philippines, yes, 5 pips. All right. Whenever you go live, there's something to get. Oh, I see. Must be able to get your hint. Oh, I see. Okay, next time I will not give hint. Okay, next time I'll give the signal. All right. Okay, so yes. IG also. Okay, I got a 7 pips. Thank you, Eric. Okay, that's good. Roger, KL, I got 3.2 pips. 3.2 pips. That's interesting. I cut it manually because I think I entered too late. I see. Okay, that's good. That's also good. Roger has actually executed a very good thing that I also like to highlight. I also like to highlight it is because he actually practiced in he actually executed the flexibility. Okay, be agile. Okay, be flexible. If you enter in yeah, like Man Wai was saying, yeah, it's very slow. Okay, it's very slow. So the market is slow. Okay, and because of Aussie, is the market has closed. All right, so you're depending on very much on the dollar, and if you're entering in a very late entry and it's very near to the support level, then probably you can cut it off manually before it hits on the support or the 25% level. Okay. Yeah, I think I also cut it before 5 pips. I see, I see. Okay, okay. Yeah, good, good, good. You have all of you got this kind of flexibility now, huh? Okay, the agility is there. Good, good, good. All right. Okay, so I think looking at all this, okay, be very firm about your choice. Okay, be very firm about your choice. Once you have determined what are the currency pairs that is going for the bear market, bear in mind the very first structure is to enter with a resistance. Okay, enter with a resistance. So you always enter, okay, like a Aussie dollar, all right, Aussie dollar. Just now when I was saying that I can see that the Aussie dollar is actually going for a selling. However, the previous hour right over here, so we only have about 10 pips to go. So I was saying that yeah, maybe 10 pips you can get it, but maybe no, for me I'll get 5. Okay. If I enter at the correct time, at the correct points, yeah, maybe I will just get 5. Okay. So 在这个澳美刚才不是说嘛，3个小时就是说这个是可以做空的，但是呢，这个空的空间哈、其实是很小而已，所以呢，我只会拿5个点。OK，I only take half pip. OK，half pip 啊，I'm in Thai. Okay, why I only take half pip is because the space is need noi na. Okay, very need noi. So need noi mark na. So over here, I will choose not to go for a sip pip. Okay, I want my TP U bond support. I don't want my TP U die support. Not nice นะไม่ดีนะ Okay เข้าใจไหมครับ Alright so okay so well I think it's good that everybody start to understand. Okay, I hope everybody understand. Okay, tonight. Okay, this session. Okay, if you understand, can you give me a 5 5? 哈哈 OK， 如果今天的讲解啊，大家都理解有帮助的话呢，给我一个5号55好不好？55 OK right 55啊 5 5哈哈 OK alright so well I'm coming to the end of this session today. I hope this video really helps everybody. Okay, you can actually replay back. Okay, you don't have to replay back everything. Okay, so you just need to skip a bit in my video chapters so that you can recap and revise back what did I say. All right, if you are going to be so detailed and follow through, well, I have a learning secret for you. Okay, all right, what is the learning secret over here? The moment when you wake up in the morning. Okay, the moment when you wake up in the morning, play this video and go shower and prepare for work, everything. All right. And over here, don't bother about whether you can understand when you are listening. Okay, when you're listening to me while you're showering. No, you just need to play the video and hear my voice. Okay, hear my voice. Then, when come to the night, okay, when you come to the night before you sleep, replay back the video. Okay, and go by segment. Okay, segment by segment to see, okay, this segment by segment from what you heard this morning, and you look at the chart as I'm explaining over here. Trust me, it's going to get into your head, into your heart. Okay, very very firmly. Okay, try that for 1 week and tell me and comment below in this video whether it helps you. All right. Okay. Okay, the yeah, John John Jonas, correct, Jonas. Okay, Jonas Jonas from Nigeria. Okay, Jonas from Nigeria. Okay, that is a very good way of learning. I learned that too. I learned it that way. Okay, that's good. That's good. And my what? And my students are learning that too. Oh, really? So you're a teacher, huh? Making extra income from Forex market. I see. Okay, okay. All right. That's nice. That's nice. Do you have any questions? 你们有没有什么问题想要发问的？可以在趁着这个时候可以发问一些问题给我，好不好？ All right. Okay. Roger from KL. Yes. You have a question. Please shoot your question. Okay. How are you able to determine the currency pairs in during your Forex trading plan? So far, I have been searching back all the videos, and you actually hits almost 99%. Wow. 99%. Okay. Like baby song sleep nah. Oppa, not like baby song nah. I can sing for you nah. Okay. It's a big man song. Okay. Big boy song. Okay. I sing for you. Okay. I sing for you, huh? I still remember that song. It's very, very nice song. Satu. Okay, so yeah, like Roger, you this tall head is a bit too tall for me. Okay, right. But what I'm trying to say is that I'm not hitting 99%. Okay, as well as also like you would like to share with you. Okay, during in my forex trading plan, 13 hours to 13:30 after my analyzing work has been done, and I will go online to share with all of you here. So remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and ring up the bell so that you got my notifications. Okay. What am I doing is because I am sticking to a structure. I'm sticking to a very strict structure, a strict trading rules where I have learned and I don't bend the rules around. Okay. I am flexible, but I don't bend it. Okay. So I'm sticking on that rules to analyze those currency pairs in order to get the best result for myself. Okay. So I am repeating. I'm repeating the structure. I'm repeating how I do it, my checklist. So after I've done that, do you know that's in the morning, but in the night, before I leave my office, okay, before I leave my office, you know what I do? I will review back what I have analyzed for the day and how is the results moving, how is the trade going. Until today, I'm still doing it myself. And you know what? By reviewing all this, actually give me another sense of understanding and the confirmation that I know that this is going to help. Tomorrow, I'm going to repeat the system again. You get what I mean? Who cares whether it's a new system or it's an old system, as long as a system that can make money, I don't care. Am I right? Okay, agree with me, give me a thumbs up. Okay. All right. OK，还有吗？有没有问题要问我哈？刚才有人在这个 KL 的这个 Roger 就说到哈，为什么我的这个筛选可以筛选出来？其实我每天都在重复在重复做我在筛选的动作。然后呢，到了晚上的时候，在还没离开 office 的时候差不多现在差不多走了。那么呢，我会回顾一下，我会再看多一次。它的那个怎么说那个今天所筛选出来的货币对它的走势怎么样？我筛选出来的过程是怎么样？这些东西，所以看回来的时候就发现到说 OK 这个方式是可以的，所以我就会更加的有信心，明天再来一次，再从同样的这个系统里面，同样的架构去再做筛选，这样的话就会很 consistent， 你知道吗？OK， 不是这个东西不是说做一天没有中就没有做了 ，OK， 不是这样，是要经过一段时间，好像我每天都在做，已经是多少了？200多个 video 了，已经做200多天了是不是？已经做200多天了，所以呢，在我的 playlist 里面，你看一下200多天，这200多天以来，我的方式都是一样的。没有变的，管它是新的还是旧的，只要能赚钱就是 OK 了，对不对？是不是这样讲 OK，所以主要就是要了解那个市场啦。好，那么你筛选出来的时候呢，就变成很简单、很容易了。OK。All right, what is your view of Aussie dollar? Will it actually breaks the support? Okay, you want to a little bit of bonus, a little bit of bonus, huh? Okay, let's see. Is it going to break the support? Let's see. I will say that it's going to break the support. Okay, breaking this support is highly likely. Okay, highly likely. All right, very simple. Okay, with my system, aqua cuts below the white line here. Okay, uh, we are moving towards. Okay, we are moving towards to break the support. We are still on the way to break the support. Okay, yes, very likely. Okay, so over here, if you actually from this, you can also take a reference, okay, from M15 by only a price action looking at the candles. If you can see a lower high, lower high, lower high towards the support level is also a sign of breaking. It's also a sign of breaking. All right. I say it's a sign of breaking. I didn't say it will break. Okay. All right. So yeah. So actually, okay, it's still there is still a sign of breaking. Huh? So we can still looking at it is still a way. It's still holding a potential that it will still break. Okay. All right. So from here actually to here, okay, we are always looking where's the support level before we start trading OK，我们每次在还没要进场的时候，都来到找一个支撑位来这个笃定我们的这个支撑位置是在哪里。那么呢，有了这个支撑位置之后空间算出来的时候呢，我才能笃定说我的这个空间有多少，应该要拿多少点。OK，all right。Okay, so yeah, that's right. I would like to see the miracle. I would like to see the miracle happens about your Aussie dollar. My miracle. My miracle. Okay, my miracle is over. Right. So I have already taken the profit of 5 pips. Okay, because of the support level. Yes. Okay. However, yes. Looks like we still have a good chance. Okay, we still have a good chance, huh? We still have a good chance breaking the support. Okay. Yeah. All right. 还有吗 Okay. All right. So I guess I still remember the last time you were talking about a currency pair about pound. I followed your signal and I got a 20, but the next day when I woke up, it went more than 50. I don't know 有没有这回事 I can't remember anymore. Okay. So please don't try your luck on Aussie dollar. Don't try your luck on Aussie dollar. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. And okay, yeah, I think that's about all today. If Aussie dollar, we still have a good chance to short. Let me check. Okay, we still have about now is a breaking of this support. All right. So the next one, let me check. Let me check. Okay. So yeah. Okay, I would say we still have about the first stage of 20 and a total of 40. Okay, with a 20, another 20. Yeah, another 20. Yes, yes, that's right. And I would say no more than that. Yeah, it's about 40. We have about 40 pips to go. All right, we have about 40 pips to go. 40 pips, but without any volume, not enough volume. Okay, in this hour for Aussie. Okay, because we're depending a lot on dollar. Probably it's going to be very slow. Okay, probably it's going to be very slow. Okay, yeah. Are you using a signal of what? What is that? 哈，我有在。 OK，还在线上。OK，还在线上。OK， are you using a system of this blah 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 bank blah blah blah? It looks so familiar to me. Okay. Yeah, well, okay, maybe we can find maybe there's a lot of similarity here and there in the market. Okay. All right. Okay. Not many people are using this system as retail trader doesn't know that it's running on the okay. I think whatever it is, okay, as long as whatever system you are using, whatever gurus or teacher or classes or courses you've been to, is all profitable. It's all about how much did you absorb from the guru, and how much actually you put in the effort to master that particular skill. Okay, that is very important as well. All right. Okay, guys. Yep. Okay, I have taken down. Yeah, taken down. Huh. Okay, so taken down everything. So I hope you enjoy this video. All right. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, and hope that all of you really learn something from my video here. Okay, and hopefully hopefully and you will gain a lot, and of course follow me, all right, so that we can have a consistent catch up, and from the video you can get one skill here, the understanding, and really will help you to get profit, so that we can build a nice community, okay, over in this YouTube channel, and the rest of the platforms, so that we are still in a very healthy and harmonious okay, yeah, the surrounding and environment that we have. All right. Okay, so if you have no questions, I'm going to end this video right here. If you have are watching my video offline, feel free to drop the comment in this video. Okay, and of course, I will still reply to the comment even if it's offline. Okay, all right, because I know 2 hours is a bit limited. Okay, and and I believe, okay, you can do it by replaying the video and understand it. Okay, and I know you will definitely can make it. Well, somebody's telling me a joke. Okay. uh okay. Okay, yeah. Well, and I hope well, thank you so much, guys. Should I say thank you? Okay, that's all right. Aussie dollar is falling. All right, guys. I would like to invite all of you, if you're watching this video, okay, remember in GMT plus ADET plus 10, all right, you can log on, okay, turn on the notification whenever I go live daily, and I hope I don't disturb your sleep, okay. That morning, okay, you can actually come into my YouTube and participate in my trading, my forex trading plan session, where I will start to filter out, and I tell you where is the resistance, where is to enter, okay, where to enter the enter a trade. I think that will be a great help in your learning journey. All right. Okay, that's all tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, all right, and subscribe and ring up the bell, so that I will always be here with you. Okay. Well, I'll say goodbye. Oh, Bradley. Bradley, you're still holding on to it, huh? Okay. Okay, I think it's about time now, huh? Okay. So, yeah, okay. Well, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you, Mr. Sia Manwai. Thank you, Hubert and company. Flora, Carol. All right. Om, Kapumakrab. Wow. Okay. Riano, right? I still remember you just I just addressed you as Riano. All right. Thank you so much, guys. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I really enjoy this session with all of you. I hope this session will go on and on with your support. Okay, and I will be here very often. Okay. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Christine. Thank you. Good night to all of you. And really, it's an enjoyable night with all of you here. And I wish you good luck. Tomorrow, remember to come into my live session in GMT plus 8, ET plus 10. Okay. And that will be 13 hours to 13:30. All right. Thank you so much, guys. See you again. Thank you, Jack. See you. And good night, everybody. See you.